Okay, this is this is Justified 033 MTFL 2019. So race proven bird, raced for me by George Torres. Raced against the best in the Carolinas. Making some hard decisions here. Excellent bird. Beautiful specimen. Strong back. Small in size. His mother is one of my best leprechaun staff and reed hens currently. The sire is a Morningside bird from Norm I had acquired. And that is the background of the Baldwin Tental birds. Beautiful bird. This bird won a Young Bird Ace Award for George. And last year he bred a good young bird that I sent to George as well. You guys want a super breeder that was also a racer? Here he is.